Join us for a mouth-watering Italian bombetta, a delicious dish that's perfect for grilling over a campfire. Stuffed with savory ingredients and bursting with flavor, this recipe will transport you to the heart of Italy. Learn how to prepare this dish step by step with our detailed instructions. Get ready for a culinary adventure. Ingredients: cheese, mozzarella, 7 to 10 slices. Fresh parsley. Salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 2 garlic cloves. Fresh basil, 5 to 7 leaves. 2 large tomatoes. Olive oil 5 tablespoons. Pork neck 7 to 10 steaks. Instructions: chop parsley. Cut the cheese into slices. You can take any cheese that melts well. The meat is cut thinly into steaks. Batter each piece on both sides. Put water to boil. Salt and pepper each piece of meat on both sides to taste. Wrap one slice of cheese and a handful of parsley in a roll. String the rolls on a double skewer. We put them on the grill. Prepare the tomatoes for the bruschetta. Cut each tomato, crosswise. Then we put them in boiling water for 10 seconds. Don't forget to turn our rolls. Peel the tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into small cubes, removing the core. Finely chop the basil leaves. Run the garlic through a skewer. Season to taste and season with olive oil. Stir to mix. Cut the baguette into slices for bruschetta. On a grill, grill both sides for half a minute. The bread burns very quickly. Serve the bombe bruschetta on bruschetta, cut in half. Now you have the opportunity to recreate this legendary dish on the fire and experience the magic for yourself. Join us to unlock the secrets of Bombette and embark on a culinary adventure that will take you to the heart of southern Italy. Subscribe to our channel and become part of our culinary community as we bring you new legendary recipes and stories that will ignite your passion for cooking and create unforgettable moments around the campfire. Bon appétit!